Really? I'm in the garage. You want to go to the garage? What? What do you want? You had cookie, you had a walk, you had number 1 and 2, and you had number 1 more than once. Yeah, you did. Later. Okay, we have to reinstall the front forks. Yeah. Smoky. All right. That didn't turn out too well, now did it? What is better than 1 flat screwdriver? 2 flat screwdrivers. You may be wondering why I'm taking a video with the old suspension and swing arm. Well, the reason is I forgot to take one crucial measurement from the original setup. And I need that measurement to help me with the new setup. The all-important ground to extended kickstand measurement. Well, it's not that important, but it's good to have. The measurement is 6.5 centimeters. And now, I gotta remove the old suspension and install a new one. I'm really starting to get good at this. Let's go. It's time to kick it into high gear. We have the new suspension back on, and it's time to take the measurement again. Yeah. Okay, now we have to raise the frame. Well, we have to adjust the frame so that the kickstand is 6.5 centimeters from the floor. And well, let's see what happens. What's the worst thing that can happen? Bike falls over again, just like that the first time. Yeah, this is not going to work out. Nope. How many of you were thinking the bike was going to fall over? Say aye. Aye. I can only find where I put a tape measure. Why is never anything around when you need it? Okay, tape measure. We are, I think 6.5 centimeters I said. We're 8.5. So 6.25. Damn it. Six and a half. And now we can measure the dog bone length, approximate length. Okay, let's measure. We're gonna consider the 10 centimeters as 0. And we have here from center to center 30.4 minus 10, so 20.4 centimeters, or 20 centimeters, 4 millimeters. But that is a rough estimate. So we're gonna make temporary dog bones, install them, get everything done, and probably one of the last things that we're gonna do is machine the proper dog bones. Well, let's get to it. I'm using old scrap aluminum. These are not the finished dog bones, only a mock-up. All right, let's install them and see how well we did. All right, let's see what it looks like. It looks like crap. I don't know if I can say crap on YouTube, but it looks like crap. Could be the silver and black clashing. No, it just looks like crap. Okay, let's measure again and see where we sit. 6.5 centimeters. Just for curiosity's sake. Let's have another look. I'm lost for words. Saying it looks like crap would be an understatement. Let's have a closer look. I knew the original battery tray would hit the top of the shock, but I never expected the bike subframe to be sitting so close to the swing arm. Oh man. I know, I need to search the world of knowledge. I'll be right back. And I'm back. The internet is the best place to learn new things. You can find all kinds of professionals and experts that are willing to share their wisdom and insights. Yeah. Let's just leave it at that. Anyways, there were a few very good suggestions. And it seems like my problem is my dog bone. They're just the wrong length. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to shorten the mock-up dog bones by 2.5 centimeters to raise the rear of the bike. However, this will create another issue. The kickstand will be too short. We're going to have to deal with it another day. Okay, with shorter dog bones, there's more clearance, and instead of looking like crap, it looks like poop. But that's a step in the right direction. Oh crap. How did I miss that? I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And remember, always hug your pet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.